Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to sign up with the email invitation. So let's get started. Open the Ellii invitation from your emails inbox and click the blue Join Now button. In the bottom left corner, you can click the menu to choose a new language if you would like. If not, continue by clicking Join a New Class to the right of your screen. Your class code will already be there. Click Next to continue. If you are creating an account for the first time, click No. If you already have an Ellii account, click Yes to be brought to the login page. If you have a Google account or a Clever account and would like to connect it to your new Ellii account, click either one of these buttons. If you would like to proceed just using your email, click the blue Create Account button. Type in your first and last name and click Next at the bottom. Type in your email and then click Next. Create a password of at least 8 characters. You can use the eye icon to see what you have typed. Then click Next. At the end, you'll see a summary that includes the class you're about to join and your account information. If everything looks good, click the blue Join Class button. You'll then be added to the class and can click it to begin working on the lessons assigned. That's it for this video on how to sign up with the email invitation. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.